Come along with us and share Kale's wedding day from the farm to the fairy tale. It starts with preparation, grooming him, fitting the harness. When you work with animals, the secret is patience and consistency. Checking every detail is very important. Before every event, we take Kale for a short drive. It's not just practice, it's reassurance. He knows the routine, and that's what keeps him calm when the cameras come out. And then the big day. The carriage shines, the crowd applauds, and here comes Kale, strong and graceful, carrying the VIPs through their bridal party like royalty.